Hi, this is Yoshi. Hello, okay. Week 6, you have only three glass, cap, and cicada insect. Okay, these three are pretty simple, but lots of interesting stimulation for kids to learn origami. That's why I put these here. Okay, this is the glass that you are going to make. Use a square paper. Actually, you can start either side. This one it is easy to look at, so I'm using the white side, the valley folding as a start. But on the video side, it's the opposite. So please do not get surprised. Now fold the triangle like this. Then fold one end of triangle to the point where it was just marked, and the other side of triangles point where it is the edge. And for the top part of pentagon, blue triangle here, and then do the same for the other side. Now the shape is like this. Expand inside. So this is the glass. Okay, you can pour water inside. Really? Okay, that's it. Okay, let's see how the check the supplement video for glass. It's too simple, isn't it? Okay. But makes kids very happy when they fold glass. Okay, this time the mountain folding. Start from mountain folding and fold big triangle, big long triangle there. Okay, then that point, towards that point, fold end of big triangle. Okay, the another end of big triangle to the point where the corner. Okay. All right, then fold a thin triangle there. Thin one as well. And then open it. Now he's pouring water. Kids will laugh and they really enjoy when the instructor does this. Okay, enjoy.